There are 13 major and 205 minor ports and intermediate ports on 9 coastal states. 95% trading is done through maritime transport, which stands 70% by value. In our country, as I said, 13 major ports are there. So they are 6 on west side, west coast, and 6 on east coast. So let us begin. Number 1 is Kandla Port, that is in Gujarat. Here, Kandla Port in Gujarat. This is number 1. Number 2, Kandla is also known as Deen Dayal Port. It is a tidal port opened after independence because the Karachi port went to Pakistan. So this was opened after independence. Number 2 is the Mumbai port. So Mumbai port is the largest and natural busiest port of our country. Number 3 is Jawaharlal Nehru Port. It was constructed to reduce the pressure of Mumbai port. Number 4 is the Marmagaon port, that is in Goa, and it is basically a iron export port. Number 5 is the New Mangalore port in Karnataka. New Mangalore port in Karnataka, and this is basically iron ore export port. Iron ore export port is the New Mangalore port. Number 6, or we can say southwest port, is the Kochi port, and Kochi port is in Kerala. It is basically the port which exports spices and salt. Now let's come to the eastern side. Towards southeast is the Tuticorin port. This Tuticorin port deals in fertilizers and petrochemical products. South East port. Then we have Chennai port. This is in Tamil Nadu. Both Tuticorin and Chennai both are in Tamil Nadu. And Chennai port is the second busiest artificial port. Second busiest artificial port. Then we have Vishakhapatnam. This is another important port, Vishakhapatnam in Andhra Pradesh. And this is the deepest landlocked port, which deals in the iron ore to Japan. These are the important. Then we have Paradip. Paradip port is in Odisha, and it is a natural harbor. Paradip port is in Odisha, and it is a natural harbor which deals in iron and aluminium. Then we have Kolkata port. Kolkata port is in West Bengal, and even Haldia is in West Bengal. So Kolkata is the only riverine port of our country, and the Haldia, it is also known as Diamond Harbour. Kolkata port is also known as Diamond Harbour, and the Haldia port was opened to reduce the pressure on Kolkata port. And the last one, that is Port Blair in Andaman Nicobar. This is the capital of Andaman Nicobar. So this is the 13th one. So we have 13 major ports, seaports, from where the maximum, that is 95% trading takes place.